Whenever in doubt, see the Help section for instructions. You can see here today's, tomorrow's, and pending tasks list. Let us see where all tasks are saved. Here in the task list you will add all your tasks. Add description, select category of a task, status, date, and task note if needed. In Tasks board, all tasks are visible by statuses that are pending, in progress, and done to give you a comprehensive view. See all your tasks in a calendar here in Task Calendar. Filter them by category if needed. Now comes the tasks list that we have seen in the beginning. Today's, tomorrow's, next 1 week's, pending, and finished tasks. See tasks by category to understand what all tasks are there in specific category. Here is the same board view of tasks that we have seen just moments ago. Task categories are maintained here. You can add more if needed. Finished tasks can also be viewed here. With quick action buttons of New Task and New Task category, you can add more. Get this task manager along with other free and premium Notion templates from the link in the description. Thank you.